There are times when I find the scale and the magnitude of work that's left to be done on this project rather daunting. My wife and I started 5 years ago to gut and remodel this house we're living in. And in this video I'll just review a lot of things that remain to be done. Here you see a corner of the house. This has been this way for years. It's got some, this wood side needs to be replaced. We're going to have this house stuccoed. So when I patch that, it doesn't matter what it looks like, we're going to cover it with stucco. There you see my tile saw set up the side of the house. I'm cutting top rock and begin to cut tiles for the bathroom we're going to do. This is the laundry room on the other side of the house. This will be the next thing I start on. I'm going to do this floor, and just that one part there, I'm going to demo those cabinets on the left, that one on the right that's the microwave is on. And then I'm just going to do that section of floor, because that section of floor is level with the rest of the house. I'm going to turn the camera around and we'll see in this other half of this back room addition, the floor slopes for some reason. Now I'm in the laundry room, looking away from the laundry room. This is the other half of this back room addition. This floor slopes, you can kind of see that probably there. It's much higher on the left, and it slopes down to the right. When you get to this right door here, that ceiling is 7 feet. And here there was an oven in there and some countertop, so I demoed all that out, and we're going to fill it in with another oven and something else there. But yeah, this will be my summer project, is to do this concrete floor. It's the last concrete floor we got to do in this house. Yeah, at some point we're going to demo this kitchen. And here you can see we did these little kitchen island cards as a temporary thing. Create a little peninsula that stands away from the wall. But this will all be redone. And we'll keep the same shape. Here I've taken out the those cabinets that were hung off that soffit there. But this room is done as far as the floors goes. If you pan in here, I took this wall out. And then here's the living room. Got a big sofa that wraps around there. And there's our entertainment center. That door needs to be replaced. Here is a bathroom that needs to be demoed. This is the hall bathroom. I've just covered that the walls, the shower walls of the tub surrounding there with some vinyl squares, temporary measure. Did the same thing on the floor. So this will all be demoed here, much farther down the line. So this is a bathroom I started on, 2 years ago, and I haven't got back to it because I was doing rental remodeling. I did get the floor in. I pulled the toilet, pulled the vanity. There's no vanity there. And then here you can see I'm doing this cut rock on this step before the shower. Right there. And then I'm going to just tile right over that. Well, I'm not going to demo that wall out. That'd be okay to go right over the top of that. So this will be one of my next little projects too, is work on this bathroom. Once I get a little more cut rock out there, maybe another few inches, then I can install a toilet.